Hey man, good morning y'all, good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back up at First Oil Change trying to see what is wrong with my car. Y'all, look, my car, they try to cut it on. You know y'all, we basically, they try to cut my car on, but it's still not cutting on. So they trying to jump it on and see would it come on or see like what's wrong with it. So y'all, look, I need my car back, like ASAP. I know my car was working fine yesterday. Working perfectly fine. They got all these cars coming up here. And shit. I asked the man to help me yesterday. He helped me yesterday. Yeah. He helped me yesterday.
You're the manager.
Oh, the manager put my shit. Yeah. The manager helped me yesterday, y'all. Back up here. We were back up here trying to see what is wrong with my baby, y'all. Baby messed up. She won't start. I don't know what they did. Even the manager helped me yesterday. Not in the police, or the manager helped me. So I'm be on. You see, I'm fixing. I'm be on me a express oil change. I don't know, y'all, but they're trying to see what's wrong with it, what's gonna go on. The boy gotta be right at 10, and then find out what's wrong, what they ain't did. They said something. It could be a minor problem, but they didn't see. They worry about other cars. They worry about other people. Huh? I don't know they yet. It's still on jump. I don't even know what it's saying. 10, 12 volts or so. But yeah, I don't know. What is gonna be going on? I need my car back, y'all. Y'all can tell I done washed the car yesterday, cleaned the car up, and then it was sitting back here all night. All these other cars. They're hot. Like, I don't know. They didn't even find out what's wrong with my engine. Like, I don't know. They finally got my dipstick out. Like, I don't know. It won't start. Well, they gotta get it jump. Let's see where to start. So, I'm here trying to vlog. Trying to see what's wrong with it. Trying to see when it's gonna start, why it's not starting. And what's really wrong? They think I'm about to leave, but I ain't about to go nowhere until I start it up. I want to start it up myself and see where to start. Like, I need to see. Like, I don't know, y'all. I don't even know what I'm looking at. I don't know what I'm looking at, but I don't know what they did. Somebody, it could be my oil pan that fell, or they couldn't tighten something up, but all my oil in there, so I don't know.
Oil pump.
Yeah, or oil pump, they said. Something is causing my car not to run or not go over 8 miles. It wasn't going like over 8 miles. It wasn't. Everybody know how my car sound, how it's supposed to go, how it's supposed to run. It wasn't doing it yesterday. After I left here, it was acting kind of weird.
I would have taken it.
Before I got here, before I pulled up here, it was acting. Before I pulled here, my car was straight. Before I put in my car was straight. Yesterday, the day before that, the other day, it was straight. But now it just acting crazy. Even and then the manager helped me, so they didn't even make it bad. I don't know. I'm something. It's something. Even the manager helped, so they didn't even make it worse. So yeah, I came to Express Oil Change on Winchester. You got an oil change. So we're gonna see what's wrong. They're finna read some codes real quick, I think. Gonna read some codes real quick and see what's actually wrong with it, or we need to know. Everybody needs to know what is wrong with my baby. This is my baby. Nah, this is my baby. Like, look. They got it on the jump. It's on the jump. They can raise some coals on and see what's wrong. So, I need to know. We need to tell me. We need to know you guys. But before we keep getting into the video, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification so you'll be notified when I post. Because we're going up all the rest 2021. But yeah, we right here. I'm trying to see what's wrong or what codes pop up. It's hot, y'all. It's hot already. And I think like what time is it? It is 8:26. I'm already up because I had to come see what's wrong with my car. Had to come see what they did or what they finna do to my car. Look, they changing everybody else oil change. Are they gonna mess theirs up too? Everybody else change people oil change. Look, they on the jump. Like, y'all go subscribe to my channel. Y'all go subscribe to my channel. Y'all know how to like, come subscribe to my channel. Trying to see what codes pull up. Still won't start, y'all. Car still won't start. We just had to start it again. Still won't start. I don't know what's going on. I ain't made her jealous, bro. Now y'all make y'all car jealous. Talking about another car. Talking about trading her and getting a new car. I think that's what I did yesterday. I made her jealous, but that's not the case of it. I need to know why my car is not starting. It's not starting. Oh yeah. It's not starting. And it's getting hot. It's only 7 something. My gimbal. Man, I gotta get a gimbal. Get a gimbal. I'm trying to see what codes are pulling up. He doing some. He put on codes right now, y'all. So you trying to see what kind of codes gonna pull up, or what's going on with the car. We just waiting here patiently. Because it's hot, like super hot. You trying to see though? We're just waiting until some codes come back, y'all. Waiting until some codes come back to see what's actually wrong, why it's really not starting.
Got a low circuit in it.
You said what?
The oil pressure sensor.
But that's just a sensor that kind of regulates your oil pressure. You know what I mean? Like kind of really just says if you have good oil pressure or not. And sometimes when they do just go out, it's not really saying that you got bad oil pressure, but it's just saying that the sensor really can't tell if you have.
That's why that light can coming on?
Possibility, yeah.
Cause it'll pop on every time you cut the car off. Like cut it on, it'll pop up.
The oil lamp.
But with that misfire going on, it's really gonna be kind of hard to tell. Like,
So
if
I gotta.
you did have bad oil pressure, if it was a misfire, you know what I mean? When you get bad oil pressure, it's almost like the same thing as like when you get a misfire. Like kind of sputter, jerk a little bit, you know?
Yeah.
Like that. So that's why it's kind of hard when you have both of them like that.
So you saying I got an oil pressure?
Just make sure that oil pressure thing is working.
Yeah, I got to restart.
Huh? So yeah, it said the oil pressure and the misfire, but we gotta get it started first, y'all. You gonna try? You try to jump it from the Probably try to jump it from the what's the name from the jump box.
Yeah, that's probably what we're gonna have to do.
Yeah. It said my oil pressure and my I got an oil pressure and a misfire, y'all.
Something like oil pump or something like that, they would pop.
Yeah, they said it's my oil pressure and I got a misfire, but we gotta get the car started. We're gonna try to jump it from the jump box so we can get it. Right. We just pray that it start up. You can smell it.
Still getting hot.
I can smell some though.
Yeah.
Smell it.
And let the battery turn a little bit. Make sure it's really cold in.
Huh?
It
said-
sensor.
Yeah, so you got a misfire and oil pressure sensor, y'all. So I told him try from the jump box, see where the jump from the jump box, he didn't go from the battery.
Try to make sure the engine is locked up.
We're gonna see if the engine locked up. Hold on. It better not be locked up. We ain't finna do this. We ain't going through this with y'all again. Ain't no engine locking up this time. Come on, some engine locking up. But I can smell that.
Yeah, some burn.
It seems like I can smell some, y'all. Yeah, I can smell something, but I don't know, like, it's like something is burning. It's like something burning, y'all. I don't know. But it ain't starting. Something in my engine locked up. We finna sit here and see. Cause I ain't no point in my engine should be locked up.
It shouldn't be.
We about to see y'all. We finna see if the engine locked up. We need to know, y'all. We need to know.
Something got it locked down.
Hmm?
Something got it locked down. Just gonna take the belt off just to see if it ain't a.
You got the what? The engine on?
Yeah, it won't turn. That's supposed to spin. Supposed to spin.
It says something about the engine
What's
though.
supposed to spin?
It says something about my engine locked down, y'all. So it's supposed to spin. I don't know. So
We should just wait on this oil change. You should have went somewhere else. I mean,
man, it's talking about my engine got locked down. It's supposed to spin. So what that supposed to mean? Man, it's like put me on already, y'all. It's already in the morning. I'm about to get mad already. That mean ain't gonna have no car. It's talking about it's supposed to spin. What the fuck you mean it's supposed to spin? Like, what the hell? I don't know, y'all. Yeah. I don't know, y'all. duck off. I'm trying to see something real quick. So, right now he's taking the duck off, y'all. I'm trying to see what's really going on.
Start or something ain't jammed in there and locked it down, the motor's supposed to turn. It's not turning. It's not turning, so Mark will probably be out on the floor in a few minutes to see what he's gonna do about it, trying to get it checked.
Well, you don't have to get checked because there wasn't nothing wrong with the car when we brought it in here.
Look, y'all.
And nothing wrong.
All right. We look. Every time a motherfucker motor's supposed to be locked up, motor's supposed to be turning, it's locked, it's not turning. Like, what the fuck that's supposed to mean? Like, I don't understand what the hell that's supposed to mean. What you mean my motor locked up and my motor's not turning like it's supposed to be? Like, when I brought my shit here yesterday, my shit was working fine. My car was running fine. My car was running perfectly yesterday. When I brought you the regular goddamn oil change on fucking Winchester, you black ass motherfuckers, and they gonna fuck my shit up. It's goddamn. My motor's locked up, so I be turning. Like, my motor was fine yesterday. My whole car was fine. So I got an oil change. It's a regular ass place, bro. Your regular ass place. The fuck? What you mean? Like, come on now. My whole car was fine for yesterday. If I got an oil change, I knew I should have went to university and got one. University is way better. I should have went to university and got one. So I always go. But I want to come here. Shit never came here. I won't be coming here no more. I promise you I won't.
Time again.
Okay, so what's wrong with this car?
I don't know. That's why when you asked me yesterday, you said it wouldn't stay running. You know, it's a lot of things that stop a car from not, staying running. It's a whole lot of things. But it's not anything we did though.
Man, before I came here yesterday, my shit was working. I promise you. I came here yesterday. My car was running fine. I left this motherfucker. My shit started fucking up. I don't know, bro.
All it does is make the oil like.
When I came here yesterday, my shit was working fine, y'all. My shit was running fine before I came here yesterday. Then I left this motherfucker. Look at this shit. Like, this bitch is sitting here. Like, the shit won't fucking start up. Like,
plenty of oil. No, I was saying plenty of oil. That's what Joe was saying.
they look like they don't give a fuck. That's how they talking. Like, they don't care.
Joe said, yeah, the starter acted like it was getting hot. When he was turning and cranking, so the starter was like, getting hit. So you keep charging it. So you get that battery charged up, right?
Y'all, bro. This shit pissed me off. These regular ass people up here. This regular ass ghetto ass shop. This a regular ass ghetto ass shop right here, y'all. Don't come to this one. Because yesterday my shit was working. They don't want to start. I just want to take my car from up here. Cause like they don't care. Sound like you don't care. Man. This is about to really make me mad. They don't even want them to touch my car no more or do nothing to my car.
They don't know. They can't say what's wrong with it. If it don't start.
Well then, what's the point of them touching it again? If they can't still wrong with it, we can take it to somebody else. I'm telling you, my car was working fine yesterday, y'all. Now my car is like, it's just messed up. My motor could be locked up. We're not gonna go through this. We're not going through this shit again, y'all. I'm really pissed down. I'm pissed the fuck off. Like, Motherfucker still got the close sign on. It's like, no, they ain't really open. But they're not even open yet. It still say closed. Come back. Unprofessional. They unprofessional, bruh. Look. How you open but you got a closed sign still closed? Come on now. These people are unprofessional. And my car was running perfectly fine. I promise you, y'all. My car was running fine yesterday before I brought it up here. And y'all know this. When I say fine, it was running perfectly fine before I came up here. So, huh? Yesterday? Yeah. Before I came up here yesterday? It started up yesterday at the house fine. Like, I don't know, y'all. Like, it's really making me mad. Like, I'm gonna give it the y'all in a minute.